If you are an absolute beginner on the guitar and maybe you want to get into a little bit of scale playing, this one is for you. Stick around. Okay, I'm going to show you your first pentatonic scale on the open position, where you don't even need too many fingers, just the third finger and the second finger. So this is for the ones who are not yet very comfortable in moving all your fingers. So this is a really great stepping stone. So we're gonna do an E minor pentatonic scale. Sounds like this. So what are we doing here? It's very simple. We're gonna go open, E, then third finger, third fret, same string, then next string open, then second finger, second fret, same string, then next string open again, second finger again on the second fret, then same thing on the next one as well, open, second fret, and then the next string open, and then the third finger on the third fret, then again open, third finger on the third fret. Alright, so slowly we have. Alright, and if we go back down, alright, so that's a really great stepping stones to start getting your fingers moving and starting to enjoy that scale, right? Rather than playing boring exercises that's not musical, I prefer teaching musical lessons. Yeah, it's a scale and it's also a really good finger exercise. So you're moving your second and third fingers. I like to end this with a little bend, which is also a really great first lesson for you on the bending side of things. You could do that. So I'll show you again. Then third, and then you do a little squiggle. All right. Okay, that sounds a little bit really impressive. All right, so one more time. Okay. You can play that over an E minor chord that we covered a little while ago in one of my previous lessons, or you can also play E major chord if you know that one. Alright, so have fun with that lesson, okay? That's the goal of this series that I do daily on YouTube, just to give you some really fun but simple yet musical exercises for you to get started on the guitar and start falling in love with this beautiful instrument we have. And if this video has helped you, please consider giving me a like or a subscribe, or leave a comment below to let me know what more I can do. Okay, cheers.